Good morning students. Today I am gonna teach 8th maths first chapter playing with numbers, continuation of the previous video. Letters for digits. What do you mean by letters for digit? It means you are assigning a letter to a digit. It is like a puzzle. Okay, you have to crack that. For example, if you have, let me take one example and explain. 42 plus 5a is equals to 98. This they have given here. Instead of, actually here there is a number, but instead of giving number they have wrote it in letter. Assign that number to a letter. You have to find it out. So this is a puzzle. You have to crack it, crack the code of it. So what will be a? What is the value of a? You have to find out. How will you find? Just check. If you put a is equals to 1, what it will be? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So answer should be 8. So it is not. Then a is equals to 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. This is also not wrong. Just think about it. 2, if you should get answer as 8. So what you have to add? For 2 you have to add a number and you should get answer as 8. So let me assume a as 6 now. So what it will be? 2 plus 6 is 8. Now see the units please. 8. So this is the correct answer. So what is the answer of a? Value of a. Therefore a is equals to 6. Understood? So this is called letters for digits. Means you are assigning a letter to a digit. Instead of digit they are giving it in letter. So puzzle game, you have to crack it out. One more thing. Each letter in the puzzle must stand for just one digit. So if you are taking if in any question any one letter is there that can take only one digit value. You cannot take 2-digit number. Means if they have given in any question a, b or any letter, if you see a, b, c, that can take only 0, 1 till 9 only. You cannot take 10 because this becomes 2-digit number. So only one digit, single digit number you have to assign to the letter. Each digit must be represented by just one letter. So each digit, if you are taking 9, so this you have to assign a letter. Only one letter you have to assign for this, not 2 letter. Now let us solve some questions. 4a plus 98 is equals to cb3. You have to find the values of a, b, c. Now first we will find the value of a. How we will find? 8 plus a you should get 3. Whether 8 plus a you will get 3, because first of all it is 8 itself. If you add again, if you add a, it will be more, right? It will be increasing, not the decreasing. It may be equal or increasing. It will not decrease. So what it will be? It is not actually 3. So it will be a 2-digit number. So when you are when you get 2-digit number, what you will be doing when you are adding? You will write the right hand side number in the ones place, right, and the left hand side digit in the carry. You will do the carry. So let us guess that this number is 13. So a plus 8, when you add a plus 8 you should get 13. So now you assume what is the value for a. So what it will be? A plus 8 is 13. So if you do 1, let me take a equals to 1. What it will be? 1 plus 8 is 9. So you will not get 2-digit number. Let me take a equals to 5. Now 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is what? 13. So you will get, so 3 is here. 1 will be carried here. Okay. So we got a equals to 5. Then 9 plus 4 is how much? 13. 13 plus 1, 14. So what you will do? So we'll write 4 plus 9 plus 1, 14. So that time 4 will be here, right? And this 1 will be carried here. So what it becomes? B is, we got B equals to 4. And we also got C. C is what? 1. C is equals to 1. So like this you have to find the values of A, B and C. Second question, AB into 3 is equals to CAB. This we can also write it as AB into 3 is equals to CAB, right? We'll write it like this for the convenience, for our convenience. So same way you have done for addition, you have to do it for multiplication also. Here you have to find the value of ABC. See here AB, the same value is you should get here also, here and here. BB, AA. So you have to think the number 3 you have to multiply 3 to B, you should get here B itself in the. So what will be, let us assume for B is equals to 1. So 3 ones are 3, so here 1, here 3, so that is not. So for example, if I am taking 1 into 3 is 3 you will get. So what you should get this and this same, right? But here 1, here 3, that will not be correct. So let me take B equals to 0. Then what it will be? 0 into 3 zeros are 0, so you got the same 0 0. So B value you got, so B is 0. Okay, B is 0. Next you have to find A value. So 3 into A, you should get here A. Now you have to guess the value for A. A cannot be 0 because B is 0. If it is 0, they would have written B itself here. Okay, so let me guess A equals to 1. Then what it will be? 1 and B is 0, right? 10 into 3. So what it will be? 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3. See, you should get here same value, but here difference. So A equals to 1 cannot. What if A equals to 2? 3 2s are 6. 2 and 6 cannot. Let me guess A equals to 5. Okay, A equals to 5 means what? You have to guess. So 5 0 into 3. So 3 zeros are 0. 5 3s are 15. See, you got this same, right? So A will be 5. So A is what? This is the correct answer because you got same. Then you got the C also. C is what? 1. C is equals to 1. Therefore what are the values? A equals to 5, B equals to 0 and C is equals to 1. Students, take down some homework questions. Find the values of the letters in the following. First one, 3A plus 25 is equals to B2. Second one, 1A into A is equals to 9A. AB into 5 is equals to CAB. This you can also write it as AB into 5 CAB. Understood? This is same as this. AB into 6 is BBB. AB plus 37 is equals to 6A. Solve these questions in your homework book. Thank you.